Welcome to Luxury Insider Channel. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLC class ushers in a compelling new era for one of the most popular luxury SUVs in the world. With a refreshed design, advanced plug-in hybrid powertrains, cutting-edge technology, and refined comfort, the 2026 GLC aims to raise the bar in the mid-size premium SUV segment. Whether you're navigating city streets, cruising on the highway, or heading out on a family trip, this latest iteration delivers the performance, luxury, safety, and versatility that discerning drivers expect from Mercedes-Benz. The exterior of the 2026 GLC class remains unmistakably Mercedes, yet it receives a modern upgrade that enhances both aesthetics and function. The front fascia features a refined grille with a prominent star emblem at the center, flanked by sleeker LED headlights that offer improved illumination and a more assertive presence on the road. The sculpted hood and aerodynamic lines give the SUV a confident, athletic stance, while refined rear design elements, including wraparound LED taillights and a subtle roof spoiler, create a cohesive look that feels contemporary yet elegant. Available wheel options, ranging from 18 to 21-inch alloys, further accentuate the GLC's premium appeal and road presence. Step inside, and the 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLC class reveals a cabin that exemplifies luxury and innovation. High-quality materials, soft-touch surfaces, and precise craftsmanship come together to create an environment that's both inviting and functional. The seating positions are comfortable and supportive, incorporating available options like multi-contour seats with heating, ventilation, and massage functions, features that transform long journeys into luxurious experiences. Technology is one of the standout aspects of the 2026 GLC. A large, high-resolution MBUX infotainment system dominates the center of the dash, providing intuitive access to navigation, media, smartphone integration, and vehicle settings. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, allowing seamless connectivity for your devices. Mercedes' voice command system responds to natural speech, making it easier than ever to control features without taking your hands off the wheel. A fully digital instrument cluster provides clear, customizable driver information, from speed and range to advanced safety alerts. Available augmented reality head-up display projects essential data directly into the driver's line of sight, enhancing focus and convenience. Under the hood, the 2026 GLC offers a range of efficient, yet powerful plug-in hybrid powertrains, as well as mild hybrid options for those who prefer traditional combustion assistance with enhanced efficiency. The plug-in hybrid system combines a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with an electric motor and a high-capacity battery pack. This setup enables brisk acceleration while delivering impressive fuel economy and reduced emissions compared to conventional engines. Electric-only driving range varies depending on configuration, but is designed to cover most daily commutes without consuming any gasoline, making the GLC ideal for eco-minded drivers who still crave performance. For those who desire even greater performance, AMG-enhanced variants of the GLC class bring additional power and dynamic tuning to the lineup. These models feature more robust engines, sport-tuned suspension systems, and unique design cues that underscore their performance-oriented nature. The result is a SUV that delivers both everyday usability and exhilarating driving dynamics when called upon. Safety has always been a cornerstone of Mercedes-Benz vehicles, and the 2026 GLC is no exception. The SUV comes equipped with the latest Mercedes-Benz Intelligent Drive Suite, a comprehensive array of driver assistance technologies designed to enhance safety and convenience. Standard features include automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and traffic sign recognition. Optional upgrades further expand the safety suite with enhancements like 360-degree surround view cameras, active lane change assist, and evasive steering assist, technologies that help anticipate hazards and support driver confidence in a wide range of driving situations. Ride comfort and handling balance are another area where the 2026 GLC excels. An available air suspension system adapts to road conditions in real time, smoothing out bumps and providing a composed ride quality that enhances passenger comfort. Steering precision and chassis tuning deliver confident handling whether navigating tight city corners or cruising on freeways. Multiple driving modes, from comfort and sport to eco and off-road, allow drivers to tailor the SUV's behavior to match the journey ahead. The GLC's practicality extends beyond performance and comfort. Its cargo area offers generous space for luggage, groceries, or gear, and the rear seats fold flat with a simple release mechanism to expand cargo capacity when needed. Thoughtful storage solutions throughout the cabin, including hidden compartments and easy-to-access cubbies, help keep the interior organized and clutter-free during everyday use. Mercedes-Benz also emphasizes sustainability and efficiency in the 2026 GLC. Plug-in hybrid variants help reduce overall fuel consumption and emissions, while the use of lightweight materials and improved aerodynamics contributes to better overall efficiency without compromising strength or refinement. Regenerative braking further enhances energy recovery, helping the GLC make the most of both electric and combustion power sources. Connectivity and convenience features further elevate the GLC's appeal. Wireless device charging, multi-zone climate control, premium audio systems, ambient interior lighting, and intuitive touch controls provide a modern living space on wheels. Rear seat passengers enjoy generous legroom and comfort, with available rear climate controls and entertainment options that make long trips more enjoyable. Trim levels for the 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLC class range from well-equipped base models to higher-end trims with additional luxury features and performance upgrades. Standard models offer strong value with essential comfort, technology, and safety features, while upgraded trims bring premium additions like panoramic sunroofs, heated and ventilated seating, and advanced driver assistance packages. In a competitive landscape that includes rivals like the BMW X5, Audi Q7, and Volvo XC90, the 2026 GLC class holds its own by combining Mercedes-Benz's signature luxury heritage with modern performance and innovation. Its blend of sophisticated design, advanced powertrain options, comprehensive technology, and safety features make it an excellent choice for buyers seeking a premium SUV that doesn't compromise on any front. Ultimately, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLC class delivers a compelling mix of luxury, performance, efficiency, and practicality. Whether you're heading out on a family adventure, commuting through the city, or enjoying weekend getaways, this SUV stands ready to elevate every journey with comfort, confidence, and cutting-edge refinement. For anyone in the market for a midsize luxury SUV, the 2026 GLC is a strong contender that reflects Mercedes-Benz's commitment to innovation and excellence.